Hello everyone! It is me, CSX with friends, and we are railfanning almost at night. We got cars. We got a train. We have got a train. Just as changing crews. It's right over there. But I can't zoom. But we got BNSF intermodals. Alright. Also, it's kind of chilly. So, it's cold. I gotta go back inside, yo. It's cold. It's making me shiver. Alright.
Is there a train there?
Yeah, there is.
Yeah, there is, honey.
Also recording.
You want to see two mamas?
Oh no.
You want to, how do you get out?
Never know if it has an RS5T horn or I don't know. I don't know if we're gonna have an Amtrak or Heritage unit.
Fat face.
Oh, there's also blue intermodals, which is called Florida. Oh, what? Group Mexico on that blue intermodal, and it's Florida East Coast. That's what the intermodal of the blue one is. So we got a CSX intermodal.
Oh
I don't know when it's gonna move though, because it's changing crew. But when there's a green light, which we'll see right over here. Oh no.
They're all red.
They're all red, and there's going to be one turning blue. No, green. Might have a train meet of Amtrak soon. Because Amtrak should be coming. Also, NS 8098 is supposed to be coming. So, might see it. I don't know. Chilly outside. Still no green light yet from the train over there, but we will see. Oh. Also, we got dispatcher over there, where that big building is, which is right there. So, yeah. Hey, sister. Yeah, it's kind of chilly outside. Still no green light. But I don't know what we're gonna see. Stay tuned. Hey, don't get sad. Yeah, it's open. Thought it was not. Babe?
Yeah, I'm sorry, baby. I'm like literally.
Oh, go ahead, babe. I thought you hung up.
Yep, that's the C&W car. Old carts over there of hoppers. Great. Whoa, what is those lights? What is those blue lights?
Cars. The cars, like, see?
That's a weird, interesting light.
Having blue lights.
That's not a secret. Oh, that's just a normal car. I don't know how they got those lights. So,
Just got blue lights in the front as well as the back.
when is the train gonna come? Well, we'll see from the dispatch. I don't know what is the train waiting for. Oh, we got a yellow signal from track
Oh, now it's green.
green from the other side. So we got a race. I don't know.
It's just a green thing.
We got two trains. We got two trains. We got two trains. Look at that. We got a yellow signal down there and we got a green. So we have a train race, I think. I don't know. Never seen a train like that. I just saw another light from track 2, which is from the other side. So yeah, we got a green light. Oh, I think we got a train meet. Because I see a light down there. I don't know if that's a car, but I don't know. I don't know if that's the same train or what, but all we just know is that we have a green light. Really cool. Alright. See if the train is coming? I don't know. See a headlight? Oh, I'll let you know. Got a green light at track 2. Alright. Oh, we got lights.
I got to second place.
Okay, okay.
Okay, bro.
I got to second place, but I can't see if they.
One dispatch light.
I'm getting there.
What percent are you? Huh, baby?
Huh.
What percent are you on?
I'm not sure.
Oh, okay.
I think it's that. Oh, it's moving. It's moving.
58.
It's moving. Yeah. All right. Got the train moving. Oh yeah, that's an intermodal. We got an intermodal. All right. Let's go. I'm just dancing. Let's go. When it gets closer, I'll take a picture of it. I don't know if we got a train yet, but surely do we got a train. Oh, I guess it's that train right there. Yeah, that's the train. I didn't know this, but thought we had a train race. I thought so, but let's go. Train coming. It's coming slow. It's coming slow. All right. It's coming slow. It's supposed to go faster. But here we go. Looks like it's gonna rain. Here comes the diesel train. 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 I'm gonna be over here. Alright. Not any heritage unit. Alright. $8.46. Woohoo! Look at that train. $8.46 and 214, but you can't see it. CSX. YN2. A YN2 trailing. Awesome. This is a CN. This is a CN Intermodal or Canadian Pacific. All right. Awesome! Woohoo! Man, that has some power. I don't know if we're gonna have a DPU, but yeah. It's cold. Alright. It's moving. Yep, it's moving. MSC. Seaboard Marine.
Yeah, the delivery.
Yeah, that's cargo.
A whole bunch of stuff.
Knowing that they're doing more money.
Noise is red.
Yep, because the train already passed.
Great, sir.
CIA. Seaboard line again. No, Seaboard Marine. Whoa, what is that? Hamburg Stud. One Ocean Network Express. Might have a DPU of this train. I don't know because they have short intermodals. I don't know. Might have a DPU of a heritage unit. Like 1875. 75 because... Oh, empty intermodals. Empty intermodals, and it's 850. 850. Can't see it. Kind of blurry. No way. Oh, it's going fast. TTX. It's going fast. MSC cards. Oh, that's long. That's kind of long. Might have a DPU because of this long train. Seago. Railfanning once again. Tex. Where's I can't even. I don't know. It's kind of getting dark. That it's kind of getting blurry. Okay, there we go. All right. Song go real. Whoa. That sound. Mighty.
Stop recording.
No, I want to record this whole train.
It's all the way down here. That's a lot of crap.
Bruh.
A lot.
Hey. Well, I want to record the train. Oh, there goes the... Kind of blurry, but... Wow. Oh, there's the end. Oh, that doesn't have a DPU. That doesn't have a DPU, so... No DPU alerts! We have no DPU. But this is a CN or Canadian Pacific train. I'll call this aisle 40 or 49. Oh, there goes the end. There goes the end. On to the next one. Rolling.